What is up, guys? We're here with Clifford and Adrian once again. How's it going, guys?
What's up, guys?
Going good.
Going good, awesome,
Perfect
awesome.
day.
It is beautiful.
It's beautiful out here. No gloves needed, no shanty.
Expected height today is supposed to be almost 50.
Yeah, and we are on the ice, which makes me a little bit nervous, but they're ensuring me that we are going to be completely safe.
We're fine.
There's a little bit of snow flurries. We're here early. Just dropped the flasher down, and we're going to see if we can get on some fish now. Adrian Medina, first drop.
Got one. Ooh, nice one.
Very nice fish.
Palm size.
Beautiful bluegill, bro. Wow.
Again on the red tungsten jig and a waxy. This one will for sure keep.
Nice. Great job, Clifford.
Feels decent.
Man, he was way down there. Nice fish, dude.
That's a big deal.
That is a very beautiful fish.
Huge bluegill.
Yeah, a little bit. Just about an inch or so.
Solid fish, guys.
GEO
Fishing.
fishing.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Wow. Very nice.
Hopefully we'll get you some more.
Yeah, we'll try. But
However,
don't open it too much. You got one? There you go. Nice. Chanty fish.
nice.
Whoa.
Here we are, about to get the grill going, and we get a little fish.
You got a shanty fish. Nice. There you go. You broke the.
Go back in the hole.
It's a keeper. It's fat, man. They're so fat.
That just happened.
It's just literally quick, right?
I mean, you know, things have. I probably
Where
could
is
have
it
reached
at? I don't see it.
I see it. So I'm thinking. I don't know. We might have to drill a few.
I don't see anything.
You still see it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Where at?
Yeah, it's straight down here.
So it's reachable.
It's a little to the left.
Yeah.
Here. We
No,
might have to
that
dig
way.
one more.
Wait, isn't it that way?
I don't know. It's hard to, you know, the angles because the water.
11 feet, 10 feet.
I
Slow
can't
it
really
down.
see anything.
I'm like, there's a little more murky. It is definitely getting a little bit more murky.
Is it dark in here? Completely?
No.
We'll put it all the way up.
Is it easier to see now?
Yeah, it's better, but it's still deep, man. It's not like you can see the bottom. I'm not seeing anything.
Let me see if I can see. I was much closer.
I think I'm gonna switch to a jigging rack too.
I was much closer.
And I think we should open up this hole to make it bigger. So we both.
It's hard, man. This is like where you need like a chisel.
Maybe my boot.
Does that thing have like magnet? Would it attach to a magnet?
Mark this right now on the Naviganics. So just in case we don't get it, and at least you know where to get it in the spring or the camera.
Dude, you know where you could probably hook it with? The camera's camera. You see how it has that long hook in the front?
Huh?
You see how the camera has that long hook in front of the camera? What if you drop it and drag that thing on the bottom? And since it's a bigger hook, it could attach to the thing.
Well, I don't know what you mean.
What do you mean camera?
The camera itself. You see how this camera, the front of the camera has that long
right.
stick hook thing?
You're right. We'll drag.
You could just drag that.
We'll drag the cord
of
of the camera.
Yeah.
It should wrap.
You got pliers on you in your pocket?
I have forceps.
Let me see if I can use forceps. So I could twist this. All I gotta do is just bend this up a little bit. Yeah, I think that should work. I just need to bend it a little bit. Look, hey George, is this thick enough for the rep for the handle to go through it?
It could be.
Yeah?
I mean,
All right. This is gonna do it.
very faintly, man, but it's there. You could see it. It's so crazy. All you can see, bro, is the rope sticking out of the mud. That's it. You can't even see anything.
So you would need...
So if we would have been kept digging, we would have just like lost it completely. This I can put right on top without like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. What is that? Is that a crappie? Oh my god, dude.
You could see it?
Yes, I'm telling you, I could see the bottom, dude. I'm not joking with you.
Those jigging wraps are going to be the key to catch fish. Because that's what they want right now.
I was even telling, I was even gonna try to switch. That's a good.
No.
Yo,
Fuck
you way.
And it was recording the whole time,
The
right?
whole time was
Watch
recording,
out!
bro.
Oh my god,
Dude.
that's the best catch of the day.
Guys, I've seen crappie down here and bass trying to get this camera out of here.
So you're saying that we should
Bro,
throw
like,
those big
The
baits
jigging
down there?
wraps, yeah.
That's how that rolls. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for us here. Clifford Piao.
Had a good day today.
Adrian Medina.
Oh, we're happy we got the camera back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dropped the GoPro in the water. We were able to snag it back. Thank you guys for watching.